If you've ever wondered whether you can use your Vanilla Visa gift card on Cash App, you're in the right place. In this quick but detailed tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the process of linking your card and getting it ready to use, plus share what to do if you run into issues. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss the troubleshooting tips that can save you a lot of frustration. Let's get started. First, make sure your Vanilla Visa gift card is activated. This is a crucial step that many people skip. To activate it, visit the official Vanilla gift card website, follow the prompts, and verify that your card is active and ready to go. Without activation, Cash App won't accept your card. Next, open the Cash App on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and find the section labeled Linked Banks and tap on it. From there, choose Link Debit Card. Now it's time to enter your gift card information. Carefully type in the 16-digit card number, expiration date, the 3-digit CVV code on the back of your card, and the zip code associated with the card. Double-check your details because even a small typo will cause the link to fail. Once everything looks good, tap Link Card in the bottom right corner. If successful, you'll see your card listed as a payment method inside Cash App, and you can start using it right away. But what if the card doesn't link? This can happen because not all prepaid cards are fully supported on Cash App. If you get an error, don't panic. Here's what to do. Go back to your account section, scroll down and tap Support, then choose Something Else. Scroll until you see Cash Card, tap it, and go all the way to the bottom to select Contact Support. Tap Not About a Transaction, then choose Chat to start a conversation with a Cash App representative. When chatting, be clear and specific. You can say something like, "Hi, I'm trying to add my Vanilla Visa gift card to Cash App, but it says it's not supported. Can you please help me link it to my account? This makes it easier for support to guide you through the next steps or offer alternative solutions." The key takeaways are simple. Always activate your gift card first, follow the linking steps carefully, and don't hesitate to contact support if you hit a roadblock. Cash App does have a support system in place to help resolve these issues, so you're not on your own. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to give this video a like and check out the description below. I've included links to more Cash App tips and solutions to help you get the most out of the app. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this, and I'll see you in the next video.